Engineers said it was impossible. Best Car magazine just leaked the most insane details about Toyota's 2028 pickup truck. Nobody's talking about this yet, but in 6 months, everyone will be. If you want to know what's coming before everyone else, you need to watch as I break down why this truck is about to shift the entire market. Engineering marvel, the Unitized body platform. The platform itself represents groundbreaking engineering innovation. Unlike conventional pickups that rely on a separate steel frame to handle everything from towing to off-roading, the Land Cruiser pickup uses a monocoque structure that integrates the frame directly into the body. This approach, confirmed by Best Car magazine's exclusive leak, delivers weight reduction comparable to what you'd find in premium sedans, which directly translates to better fuel efficiency without sacrificing the structural integrity needed for serious adventure. The vehicle measures approximately 5,700 millimeters long with 1,910 millimeters of width and 1,700 millimeters of height, striking a perfect balance between capability and maneuverability. This is significantly smaller than massive American full-size trucks most people know, but absolutely larger than compact offerings like the Ford Maverick. 3 powertrain options for every driver. What makes this truck genuinely remarkable is its multifaceted approach to power delivery. Toyota isn't limiting buyers to a single powertrain philosophy. According to Best Car magazine's reporting, the 2028 Land Cruiser pickup will offer 3 distinct powertrains, acknowledging different market demands and priorities. You'll get a pure battery electric option that provides whisper-quiet operation, perfect for urban environments and noise-restricted areas. Then there's the plug-in hybrid variant, which combines internal combustion efficiency for long-distance travel with electric power for city driving. However, pure gasoline-only options are not currently planned for this model line. This 3-pronged approach means virtually any buyer on the planet can find a version matching their driving reality, adapting to wherever infrastructure stands today rather than forcing change tomorrow. Smart cargo design and seating configuration. The double cab configuration accommodates 5 passengers comfortably, with a practical open bed in back that expands the vehicle's versatility far beyond typical commuting duties. That bed connects seamlessly to the rear cabin, offering flexible cargo configurations according to your needs. Whether you're hauling camping gear, construction materials, or livestock, the adaptability is genuinely clever. The monocoque construction enables something traditional pickups struggle with: a lower cargo bed floor that makes loading and unloading significantly easier than climbing up the sides of conventional truck beds. Interior comfort meets rugged durability. Inside, you'll find the design philosophy balances ruggedness with contemporary comfort. The cabin incorporates real materials that can withstand the rigors of work environments, while maintaining enough refinement for professional use and weekend adventures. Dual climate zone air conditioning ensures both driver and passengers remain comfortable during extended journeys through varying weather conditions. Safety receives equal attention to capability, with Toyota equipping the vehicle with advanced driver assistance systems, multiple airbag coverage, vehicle stability control, and anti-lock braking technology. The Hill Start Assist and Hill Descent Control features prove invaluable when tackling steep terrain, automatically managing brake pressure to prevent rollback during challenging maneuvers. Smart technology integration. The technological integration deserves special mention. The cabin features an intuitive touchscreen interface compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring your smartphone seamlessly integrates with vehicle functions. Real-time all-terrain information displays help drivers understand ground conditions, track angle readings, and differential lock status simultaneously. This information streams to the display directly from multiple sensor arrays, continuously monitoring the terrain beneath the vehicle, making challenging driving conditions significantly more manageable even for inexperienced drivers. Towing and payload capabilities. Performance specifications reveal Toyota's commitment to genuine capability. The vehicle delivers a maximum towing capacity of 6,000 pounds when properly equipped, rivaling mid-size pickup trucks despite its lighter overall weight. Payload ratings reach approximately 1,700 pounds, enough to handle substantial equipment loads without exceeding structural limits. These numbers matter because they prove the unitized construction delivers practical capability while maintaining the weight advantages that make the platform special. Off-road beast mode activated. Off-road performance incorporates Toyota's legendary multi-terrain select system, intelligently adapting throttle response, braking force, and traction control based on surface conditions. Drivers can select from mud and sand mode, loose rock configuration, mogul terrain settings, standard rock mode, or dirt and rock combination. An innovative automatic detection feature analyzes terrain in real time and switches modes without driver intervention, perfect when conditions transition unexpectedly. The crawl control system automatically manages engine speed and brake pressure, letting you descend or ascend steep slopes at walking pace without touching pedals. Geometry built for adventure. Ground clearance measures 244 millimeters, providing genuine ability to clear obstacles that would stop conventional sedans or crossovers. The approach angle exceeds 31 degrees, while the breakover angle reaches 24.5 degrees, combining to deliver the aggressive capability needed for serious trail work without excessive overhang that compromises on-road handling. Independent double wishbone front suspension with 4-link rear suspension delivers exceptional articulation, keeping all 4 tires planted against terrain even when driving over serious obstacles. The connection to earlier concepts. The design of the 2028 Land Cruiser pickup bears striking similarities to the EPU concept vehicle that Toyota showcased at the Japan Mobility Show 2 years ago. The EPU was an all-electric pickup designed on a unitized body platform, and Best Car Magazine's rendering of the upcoming production truck appears virtually identical to that earlier concept. This suggests Toyota has remained committed to the fundamental design philosophy established with the EPU, while adapting the powertrain strategy to include plug-in hybrid and battery electric options. The evolutionary approach from concept to production demonstrates careful refinement rather than radical redesign, market positioning, and competitive intent. The 2028 Land Cruiser pickup represents a serious challenge to established players in the compact to mid-size pickup segment. While larger than typically expected from compact offerings, it's notably bigger than the Ford Maverick, positioning itself as a more capable alternative for buyers seeking substance without excessive size. This truck signals Toyota's intent to reclaim territory in the pickup market, while emphasizing innovation, efficiency, and modern technology integration. The combination of unitized body construction, multiple powertrain options, and advanced capability features creates a genuinely new category within pickup truck offerings: production and market strategy. Production is anticipated to commence in 2027, with market availability beginning in 2028. The timing aligns with Toyota's broader electrification and platform modernization strategy. By offering both battery electric and plug-in hybrid powertrains from launch, Toyota acknowledges that different markets have different infrastructure readiness and customer preferences. This flexibility positions the Land Cruiser pickup for success across diverse global markets, while maintaining technological sophistication. If you're interested in how manufacturers are reimagining traditional vehicle categories, subscribe to stay updated as more details emerge about the 2028 Land Cruiser pickup and Land Cruiser Sports market arrival. Drop a comment sharing whether you'd consider switching from conventional pickups to this innovative approach and what features matter most to you as a potential buyer.